Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to log out of Twitter on all devices. If you forget to log out of a public computer, misplaced your device, or suspect an unauthorized login, the first step is to log out of all devices. Here's how to do it on Twitter. First step is go to www.twitter.com in a web browser. If you are not already signed in to your account, you will be prompted to do so now. In the left panel, click the More icon, 3 dots to access more menu option. Click Settings and Privacy to open options related to signing in. Select the Security and Account Access in Setting menu. In the right panel, under Security and Account Access, click App and Sections. Click the section. Click Logout of all other sections. It would not affect your current active section. Do you want to end your other sections? Then click Logout to confirm the action. This way, all your sections are closed wherever your account was open.
There is also a problem with this video. So ask about these comments any problem related to social media and internet. Let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.